This is for a 2016 Ford Escape. This is the passenger side window. The switch was not working. It would go up, but it wouldn't come back down. Don't know what caused it, but what I did is I took it apart. Okay, this comes off, and what's inside is a couple of contacts. This is the down button. Hope you can see that. And this side is the up button. So what I did is I took a piece of wet sanding cloth. This is about 800 grit, and I just stuck it inside here. I stuck it in between the contacts, and I pushed down on the contact, and then I pulled the emery cloth out, just like that. Did both sides, just like that. Push down and pull the emery cloth out. And I only did it a couple of times, and then I put it back together, and it worked. If you're having this problem, good luck.